Ready? What the fuck? You're not doing a great job. You missed it! Bilal's petting. Why are you petting it?
Oh, it's so cute.
We have real cats at home, Bilal.
Shut
Unfortunately, they don't like you. Anyways, we are at Walmart and we are shopping for my bonfire party.
Show them the lights at least.
Yeah.
They're the ugliest lights. Like, what is
They're not ugly. Are they ugly?
I would have got icicles over this.
Why would? It's not Christmas time though.
Well, what are you getting them for then?
For the bonfire?
Yeah, you can put them up by Christmas too.
Jeez.
All of a sudden, we can celebrate it too.
That's haram.
You're haram.
You're haram. You mentioned it. Anyways, these are only $5. They're on sale, so we got 2. We would have got more, but it's okay. We're setting up for my bonfire party tonight with all my school friends. Anam was helping me set up. Thanks for all your help, girl. Our backyard has never looked so cool and nice. I don't know why we've never done this before. Or why didn't we take advantage of this in the summertime? I don't know, but yes, we're the lone family. We do everything backwards and opposite of what everyone else is doing. But anyways, this is going to be the snack table. We're trying to make it look nice with some Halloween inspired lights over here. And then yeah, that's the only firewood we have so far. And hopefully we are expecting these many people, but we'll actually see how many show up. Hopefully all my friends show up. I don't even know who's coming or how many people are coming, but we'll see. I'm excited. This looks good. This looks really good.
We're ready for Zanera's bonfire party.
Yes.
How you feeling about it?
This. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh no, hold on. Oh,
Kaboom!
Zanera's Smokin' Hot Bonfire Night.
Awesome.
Yes, I made a Snapchat filter. Yes, I did. Yes. The only 2 on time. Amar and Hui. They're also helping us out.
Yeah, I know. We're on our vlog. Isn't that sick? I think this is my
This is what we do when guests are on time. We make them help us. Because we're never on time. Everyone's finally here.
I need a video release for him, please. His face is gonna be blurred out.
What up, what up?
Every time she walks into the house, she hears like kids running around and like basically whispering in her ear like "let's play."
What the?
And then like she in her basement she sees like this really like old lady with like really long limbs. Like she's just like walking around the basement all the time. And she says when she goes to sleep, like she wakes up with like marks on her.
Oh, okay. I have something about haunted house as well.
All right.
Really?
It's where I live right
he
now.
lives in one.
So the house is attached to a dental office. Okay, and I stay.
It's already scary.
Every single day at 3 a.m. there's this noise of drilling. When you go to the dentist, it's drilling into your teeth.
Yeah.
And every day at 3 a.m. right, like 3 o'clock, it start having that noise coming from the dental office. And when I come in, nothing was like the noise stopped, and then I just saw like a red dot like moving fast like across me.
Yeah.
And I was like, shit, I'm not going in there. So I just go to bed. And then 2 days later, it stopped. There's no less sound of drilling anymore. But 2 days after that, it's come back again and it's still happening.
I take my shoes
Yeah,
off?
leave your shoes on.
Should I
Leave
take
your
my
shoes
shoes
on.
off?
Leave your shoes on. It's all good.
Shoes on. They're already off.
That's disgusting. Man says he's on a diet. He's on a diet. Like, what is this?
I knew you'd New pressure.
Why?
I knew you'd talk right after. I knew you'd talk right after.
Did the whole thing fall on your
I don't eat
pizza?
pizza no more.
Yeah.
I want you to
Why?
feel bad.
I'm not making you feel bad. I'm not making you feel bad. I'm not making you feel bad.
I don't want this no more.
You are so dramatic. Look who just showed up.
Yo, there's one over here.
Look who just showed up. Wahaj the loser. Wants to make friends from Sheridan, so he's crashing my bonfire.
This man, this boy right here. First of all, let's just take a look at his chair. Sheridan Student Union, y'all got robbed. And this man, now he brings a log. What? The log. Why was this in your car, bro?
I like fun.
What was this doing in your car? Explain yourself.
Bonfires.
You gotta do it on the side.
I know.
Aline,
Hi,
are you having fun?
I get blind right now.
Oh no, really? Yeah, is that better?
And say watch me on this.
How old are you? How old are you? 8?
Yes.
Yes. Amar bringing the party back to life.
This guy actually had a piece of wood.
I can't. I thought you were joking. Legit. Legit. I thought you were joking. This man's clutch right now.
We just ate lots of pizza.
I'm so full. Everybody loved the wings. They are gone. And the pumpkins. Totally. Yeah. Some Judas pumpkins are in the pizza. Don't know how they ended up there. I think. Yeah. What? The food was great. What? Okay. Anyways, the food was great. We're planning on doing a clown prank, but nobody knows about it.
So cute. What's in here?
I don't know why I have
I
to
don't
wear a
know.
mask. Apparently, I already. Wait, why am I dissing myself?
What were you going to say,
I was gonna be like, I already look like a clown, but that's a diss on myself.
Oh my god. Anyways, we're going to get Blonde Mare to wear a clown mask and come through the sides of the basement and scare
That's what I just
everybody.
said. I was like, wait, why am I dissing myself?
Lol always disses himself.
Hi, Spiela.
Hey,
That's for the vlog, by the way.
where do I go?
Just go through all the way through and go to the back.
Like here?
Yeah, just go all the way to the back. All right, so this is Wahaj, the loser, as we know him in the vlogs, and we're just about to pull a prank at Zina's party. This is me. This is Scary. So we're about to do this. Wahaj, you ready? You gonna record this for me? Yep. All right, let's go. I can't breathe in this thing. God damn. Yeah, it's the worst.
The weather.
Weather's That was the worst reaction.
5-minute delay.
Why were you screaming?
Scarier than the clouds.
Who was that? Was there?
Who checked that out? The whole lawn almost caught on fire. You know you're a city kid when.
Pass the chocolate.
Eyes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Our entire vlog's gonna be us like.
Sorry. It's too bright. My flash is too bright. Ice cream. We have angur. Wait, maybe I will. Krispy Kreme donuts.
Here, Fahim, come have some.
We got the keys.
Brownie.
Legit,
Fatima made the brownies. Thanks, Fatima.
Thank you, Fatima.
And then some sour hello. I mean,
Sour hello. Sour hello.
hello sour keys.
Krispy Kreme is really good.
Mira is stealing my cousins, my little cousins. She's getting more love than I do.
Oh my god.
Aleem, I love you.
Eyes.
Oh! Oh, my little baby! Like it's
Most waiting.
Oh yes.
the love was too strong right there.
I'll see you soon, okay?
See you again.
Thank you everybody for coming. Shout out to Rob for bringing the wood.
Actually, every single time.
Is everybody leaving?
I don't even know.
That's so sad. Don't leave.
Hold on, listen, I have to record this one.
गुस्से से डरते हमेशा आते रहें तुम्हारी जिंदगी में ये खुशियों के साथ हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बिलाल